let's go back to the movie.
Yeah,
So you've
yeah.
spoken about this scene. Can you talk about a few more scenes जो आपकी favorite है? When you watch it, you're like, wow, क्या scene है ये?
Though there is one, well, there are lots, right? But if I
Hmm.
can think through some of the scenes come to mind, one of the other scenes that come to mind is the he's it's again this is he has come back. So India में उसने he has got power now, right? He has come back to finish the work he had to finish in NASA.
Yeah.
So he's sitting at his desk, right?
Hmm.
Just
Hmm.
working
Hmm.
with his friend. I forgot his name now, but the friend that he had in NASA. उसके साथ बैठ के काम कर रहा है, and then suddenly
Hmm.
all the pictures and memories start to jog in his head,
Wow. Yeah.
right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Just mid thought, mid conversation, वो काम कर रहा है, but these thoughts are just coming in random pictures in his head.
Right. Right.
I thought that that scene was really good for a couple of things. One, because it एक तो दिखा रहा है कि पैसा है, काम है नासा में, लेकिन दिल भी इंडिया में आ चुका है भी, right? That was
Hmm.
also another big shift. जहाँ पहले he was all about, कावेरी अम्मा के लिए मुझे leg massager देना है because he thinks that's comfortable, right?
Right. Right.
When in
Right. Right.
fact, right, comfort doesn't come from that. Comfort comes from all the other things that he experienced while he was in India. I felt like
Absolutely.
that was another awesome scene. Just how it comes flashes of just pictures every now and then. That's when the song also comes. Re Ye Jyoti and all that.
Ah.
So
Yeah.
तो वो एक अच्छा मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा scene. There was another one with oh man, I forgot the guy, the post office guy. उसका नाम भूल गया मैं.
ओ या मैं भी भूल गया नाम
Uh,
बट विवेक
um,
क्या था उस ऐसी कुछ विवेक कुछ नाम था बहुत सिंपल नाम है उनका
विश्राम जी.
अच्छा कैरेक्टर नाम ओके 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 या
Sorry, character, Vishram ji.
हाँ 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 हाँ
So, anyways, so he goes with him and Melaram to go to each of the families to go talk to them, right, about getting the kids
या
enrolled in school. But then he goes to this one family where they are very poor, right? I think they may have been like a Dalit caste. They're not allowed to send their kids. And the girl that he wants to come to school, the parents say, I can't send because she has to get married.
ओ
And then
या
you can immediately see uske face mein there's a response that gets registered in his face. The expressions are again brilliant because he was like, here's a girl I'm talking about and boy that need to go attend school. And while the parents are saying, I can't send her, maybe I can send him, but even then I'll get pushback. But yeah, I can't
राइट
even send her because she needs to get married now. And she's like barely 8,
या
right? So
हाँ
all these different scenes, right? They all kind of become cumulative.
राइट राइट
These are the things that are fundamentally affecting India. And here I am trying to buy a leg massager for my Kaveri Amma, right? So वो सब
एग्जैक्टली
सारा खतरनाक scenes like them. All these things, little nuggets that make this movie unbelievable.
absolutely one scene that I would like to talk about apart from all these scenes even they are my favorite but the scene where he's in the I don't remember the exact place, but I think some festival हो रहा है वो धोती वोती बांध के आ जाता है याद है
Oh
वो
yeah.
she helps
Oh, I
him
remember that scene. I
yeah
remember that
and
scene.
then he says मेरे हिसाब से इंडिया सबसे अच्छा देश नहीं है everyone is
Yeah.
shocked how can you say that but the way he takes that scene
Explains it.
patriotism is not jingoism ना कि नहीं मेरा देश सबसे अच्छा है patriotism about doing something जिससे आपका देश वहां पहुंच पाए
Mm-hmm.
कि हम ऐसी चीजें करें जिससे हम ऊपर लेके जाएं हम एरोगेंस के साथ नहीं जी सकते कि हमारे देश में सब कुछ है हमें वो थोड़ा रियलिटी चेक भी होना चाहिए एंड अगर बहुत अच्छा भी है तो और सुधार सकते हैं राइट सो दैट्स हिज मेंटालिटी एंड दैट्स हिज पेट्रियोटिज्म कि नहीं ये नहीं है एंड द वे ही पुट्स हिज पॉइंट्स शाहरुख परफॉर्मेंस द पॉइंट्स दैट ही पुट्स देयर रिएक्शंस टू इट दे स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग कल्चर एंड वो बोलता है कि ये क्या हर बात में तुम कल्चर लेकर आ जाते हो सबका अपना अपना कल्चर है राइट यू
That's the
कांट कीप
key.
सेइंग
Yeah.
या एग्जैक्टली सो वो पूरा सीन जिस तरीके से डायलॉग्स लिखे गए थे एंड हर हर aspect of that scene was wonderful so that one scene stands out for me also the scene where he starts at turbine वो it was a little exciting scene पिक्चर थोड़ा ऐसा था ना कि वेरी सटल पिक्चर था तो उसमें एक एनर्जी आती है कि जिस तरीके से वो लोग एनर्जी वो टर्बाइन
Uh,
लाते हैं एंड देन दैट फाइनल थिंग जब
yep.
बल्ब जलता है यू नो
Oh, the ultimate.
यस
Brilliant. And
बहुत
to your point, in that scene, another subtle thing I noticed was while they get in the turbine started and going, it's still broad daylight. But when they
राइट
transition to the light bulb coming, it's dark, where the light bulb actually stands out. See, if they had
एग्जैक्टली।
made that scene where the light bulb goes off in the middle of the day, इतना impact नहीं है,
हाँ,
right?
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली।
But to see that among this cloud of darkness, now this light bulb glows. It's also
एग्जैक्ट
there's a symbology behind it, right? Symbolism
एब्सोल्युटली
around
एग्जैक्टली।
the fact that I have lit something up that will hopefully it's a little spark that will continue innovation.
And that spark is, technically speaking, yes, he's made that spark is also there inside him now. That has put a
That's right.
spark inside him, because that's going to eventually result in him coming back to India and working towards making India better.
Fair
So
enough.
that's another symbolism in that particular scene. And
Fair enough.
similarly, जब वो उस गांव में जाते हैं जहाँ पे उनको पैसे लेकर आने हैं, कावेरी
Oh,
अम्मा,
yeah.
कावेरी अम्मा काइंड ऑफ मैनिपुलेट्स हिम, राइट, तुम जाओ वहां जाके पैसे लेकर आओ, बहुत पैसे दिया नहीं है। वो पूरा सीन एंड द वे दैट गाय एक्टेड, आई डोंट नो हिज नेम, बट वो गरीब सा जो फार्मर रहता है, जो पूरा अपना स्टोरी बताता है, खाना वाना खिलाते
You-
हैं, the way that guy is just saying his dialogues, and Shahrukh Khan यहाँ पे खाना, he's supposed to eat the food, but he is kind of choking, and then it's the entire scene का एक series है, right? उसके बाद बाहर जाता है, लेटा है, ऊपर देख रहा है, and
Yep.
he's feeling it, and then this thing hits, ये पानी वाला scene, and boat में जा रहा है, all these things come together, and they hitting one after the other, and so yes, that the impact of that scene was also outstanding, right? And yes, the movie, they try to package the movie in a very entertaining way also. There are a lot of those funny banter
Mhm.
between Gayatri Joshi's character and Shah Rukh's character, and these Mela and I forgot the name again.
Vishram
Uh,
ji.
विश्राम जी, इन लोग का भी जो, दे आर नॉट वेरी सीरियस पीपल ऑल्सो, थोड़ा फनी भी है उन लोग, दे ऐड टू दैट फन एलिमेंट इन द फिल्म। वो आ जाता है अपना वैन के अंदर, इसमें कारवान के अंदर, एंड पूछता है अलग अलग क्वेश्चन, बोलता है मुझे हाईवे पे फूड स्टॉल रखना है, आप मुझे लेके जाओ, ये वो सब, आई हैव एन आइडिया। सो इट्स अ वेरी होलसम फिल्म,
Mhm.
एंटरटेनर भी है, कॉमेडी भी है, रोमांस भी है, बट ऑफ कोर्स इट्स टॉकिंग अबाउट अ very, very serious issue about
Yeah.
empowering the people in our country and making them better. So yes,
I mean, if you think about it, it's even in the tagline of the movie, right? So this, we the people.
exactly. So they see the people, and वो पूरा एक गाना है उसी पे based, right?
Mhm.
ये तारा वो तारा, सब लोग साथ में मिल जाएंगे तो कितना इम्पैक्ट हम कर सकते हैं, एंड इज मेकिंग द चिल्ड्रन रियलाइज दैट। उसमें भी जो उन लोग ने जिस तरीके से दिखाया है कि एक स्क्रीन है, जिसके एक साइड में यू हैव द लो कास्ट पीपल वाचिंग द मूवी फ्रॉम द बैक साइड, and
Mhm.
the upper caste and the remaining people sitting and watching it from the other side, and he takes that screen down and brings them together.
You bring up an excellent point that I also noticed, and I remembered this when the movie came out. Part of the reason why it was not that blockbuster hit, also, right? Even though Lagan was a big hit of
Right,
Paritosh
right.
Gowariker, this was not considered a big hit.
Hmm.
मेरे को याद है they were talking, at least, and I could be wrong about this, कि they were saying कि oh, the quality of editing wasn't as good,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
The
हाँ, हाँ,
movie where they could have done better job of stitching the scenes together better and blah blah blah. मुझे याद है, I think I remember reading
Hmm.
about it. लेकिन
Right.
मुझे याद है कि they're saying that on one hand, but on the other hand,
Hmm.
you see the scene that you just described, where that attention to detail around the fact that you have the upper cast sitting it from looking the movie from the front, and then you have the
Hmm.
lower cast sitting from the back. But then in the scene, you can clearly see the scenes. The reason we know that there was a
Hmm.
symbolic um, descriptor that we could see. Ki
Right.
you're sitting from the back, and the only reason we know they're sitting from the back is because everything looks backwards.
Exactly.
That's an
Yes.
attention
Yes.
to detail. They could have implied, they could have said it in the scene, but they didn't, right? They chose
Yes.
to visually communicate to us that there was that
Absolutely.
separation because we could tell the movie is backwards because you're sitting behind it.
Exactly. Yes.
I mean,
Yes.
that's
Yes.
attention to detail that is not common typically, you know?
Exactly. I completely agree with you. And I also think the reason he kept this movie long, except that I have just one small issue with this entire movie. I'll tell about that, but I'll speak about that. But ये लेंथ इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट था क्योंकि आपको धीरे धीरे सीप इन करने देते हैं इस
Oh,
मूवी
yeah,
की रियलिटी को।
exactly.
अगर ये
Exactly.
क्विक एडिटिंग वाला होता ना, तो इट वोंट कनेक्ट विद यू। यहाँ पे आराम से आप धीरे धीरे आप हर कैरेक्टर को समझ रहे हो, आप हर कैरेक्टर को लिटरली यू आर absorbing that character, his
That's right.
mentality, his emotions
That's right.
or her emotions. And Shahrukh Khan ka pura transformation from the guy who's in US, who's just come to bring Kaveri Ma back to US because he feels guilty. He doesn't have any parents left, right? So he also
Mhm.
feels guilty about what the situation is, and he wants to take her back. And वहां पे गायत्री क्या है उसका नाम,
Joshi.
जोशी हाँ, गायत्री जोशी का अपना रीजंस रहता है, शी वांट्स कावेरी अम्मा टू बी विथ हर, एंड वहां से वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट शुरू होता है, एंड देन धीरे धीरे वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन दिखाते हैं। एक ही चीज है जो मुझे, एज अ सॉन्ग इट माइट बी अ वेरी गुड सॉन्ग, बट सावरिया सावरिया, राइट, दैट्स द सॉन्ग ना,
Hmm.
वो गाना होगा अच्छा, बट वो गाना
Then,
रॉन्ग टाइमिंग था।
yeah,
मुझे लगा
I
कि
agree.
वो गाना अगर नहीं होता, वो एक ही पीस है जो मुझे लगता है कि ये निकाल सकते थे। ऑल्दो
Hmm.
उसमें देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ montages of Shah Rukh Khan's travel towards that village. So if they had somehow managed to keep some music and just show his travel and
Hmm.
take that song out,
Hmm.
I mean it felt out of character also of her to sing, and ये वो थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा था। I know it's a,
Hmm.
at the end of the day it's में commerce involved है, but it wasn't adding to the commerce also. I think sometimes now you should go all out कि नहीं यार है, yeah.
But if you think about it, though, fair enough.
Hmm.
I agree, by the way, on that one. But if you think about
Hmm.
it, I am
Hmm.
betting there's also pressure to keep the song because he had to cut another song as well, which he ended up did getting cut, which was
Uh,
the Soja,
Ahista, Ahista, Ahista,
Ahista. Okay,
Ahista.
it's a nice song when you listen to it, the soundtrack.
Absolutely.
Like
Right,
in
right.
the movie, that scene was deleted completely. The whole song was deleted, right? You can see
Deleted,
the
yes.
recording. I mean, on YouTube, it's there, but I can see that if they only cut one song, if you cut another song,
Mm,
right?
yeah,
So I can
yeah.
see that being some of the pushback he may have received, even if he did what we all thought he should have done. I wanted to go
Right.
back to another point you brought up, and you learned officially movie directing, so you probably know more insights into this.
Mm-hmm.
But your point about saying the movie needed to be that long for the character development to be shown, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here's why it's also he's not he's not alone in doing this, right? So तुम अगर
Mm.
देखोगे अभी नया लेटेस्ट जो लास्ट ईयर आया था Oppenheimer from Christopher
Yeah.
Nolan.
Right,
That
right,
movie
right,
is
right.
terribly long, but
Yeah,
it is incredibly amazing movie, and you
absolutely.
need the movie to be that long to go
Mm-hmm.
through all the emotions of J. Robert Oppenheimer and how he starts from being college kid to who ends up being, right, this great scientist. But you have to see
Absolutely.
those trials and tribulations. So similarly, to
Exactly.
show the spectrum of SRK's characters, you
Character.
have to have a
Mm.
movie that long. So
Exactly.
people who complain about editing, right?
यस, आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विद यू, है ना। अब मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि ये एक छोटा सा गाना अगर निकाल देते, वट एवर द रीजन में बी, अब वो 100% परफेक्ट हो जाती है। इट इज 99.99% परफेक्ट, दो पॉइंट वन या 0.1% ऊपर नीचे है, बट दैट्स टेकिंग पुटिंग टू मच ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म और बीइंग ओवर क्रिटिकल, राइट।
Yeah.
सम मूवीज आर अबाउट कॉमर्स, आई थिंक ओवर द इयर्स ना, शाहरुख खान का ये फिल्मोग्राफी में इस फिल्म का होना has changed his filmography in a very different way, right? I mean, suddenly
Yeah.
you have Shah Rukh Khan doing such a film, and many people keep asking, "यार मुझे एक और film ऐसा दे दो," and all. And I hope he makes one more such a film. When I say such a film, where you see Shah Rukh Khan literally being a very very realistic character, going through the
Mhm.
regular day by day emotions, and in a film which is going to hit you in your heart, right? तो ऐसा मैं चाहूंगा देखना very soon.